Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm on today with you to do sneaky peekies of the brand new card kit that she's bringing out on the 1st of July, which will be available in her Etsy and in her online shop, ShinySilverTreasuresCrafts.com. But everything will be linked in the description box below. So I am making tags. So I'm going to turn this one over. Look at that. Beautiful. And a stamp set that she has got in this beautiful card kit. It's all summery and sunshine. It's called Seaside Treasures. So I have made my own backing paper for my tag, and all I'm going to do is cut them out and get creating. So they're both the same size. I think I'll tell you the measurements in a minute because I can't quite remember. And I'm just using packaging from a paper pad, and it's beautiful. It is 3 1/4 by just over 7 inches. I can use more of that on something else. So yeah, beautiful summery papers in this card kit. And this, I'm ahead of schedule. So yes, I'm very happy. Well, I am for now. Whether or not I'm going to be in a couple of days or a couple of weeks, I don't know. It's because I'm going on holiday and I just want to get these all ready and set to go when they're supposed to go. Just put them back because I don't think I'm going to need my big scissors. So yeah, I'm going away. I'm going to Wales. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this one first, and I've already got my bits ready. I've got some wooden bits here, beautiful, and some cutter parts as well. All very summery and beach. Day at the beach, beautiful. And it's going to be something a little bit like this with these on as well. Oh, I like. And I've also got ice cream washi. Everybody needs ice cream washi. Well, an ice cream anyway on a hot sunny day. And I'm just going to decorate this a little at the back. Right, I'll cut them bits off in a minute. Shall we have 2? Why not? Do I want 1 at the top as well? Yeah, I'll put 1 at the top. About there. Yes. And it just adds a lovely bit of colour. So I've got my little scissors. And it's very sticky washi tape actually. I don't think I'm going to need glue to stick any of this down. How is everybody doing? The weather is absolutely glorious when I'm filming this. It's beautiful. I've just come in from being shopping with my daughter. So yeah, enjoying the sun so far. I hope it's like this when I go away. We'll see. So that there, and then we've got our shell. Stick this bit down. About there. A little bit of a gap. I don't know if I've got. Oh yeah, let the sun shine. I wasn't sure if I had a sentiment out ready to go. and that bit there, like so. And then I'm just going to use my wet glue for this because it is only wood, and get these gorgeous wooden pieces stuck down. So this one I'm going to put there, and then the snaily one, I'm going to put there, like so. And I've also got these pearls, flat back blue pearls. Oh, I didn't need that many. I only want to put a few on, like three will do, I think. Yeah, 3 will do. Let's get these back in so I don't lose them. Oh, there we go. Right, I will stick my sentiment on. Let the sun shine. Yes, let the sun shine through. Something like that anyway. I'm going to put it at the bottom. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Like so. Where is it? There it is. Let's get my gemmy tool. Stick. I'm going to put one there, one there. No, I picked them up with my hand, and one there. So 1, 2, and 3. And then I've got this gorgeous ribbon that you also get in the card kit, and I'm going to use this. I'm just going to put a little fishy tail in, stop it from fraying. So we've got that, and you also get little pins in and buttons, bulb pins and blue heart buttons. So I haven't even put a hole in. No, I haven't put a hole in. Getting ahead of myself, aren't I? Don't want it. Oh, that was hard. There we go. Now I can do it. It's just beautiful, beautiful, and it just matches the day brilliantly. Is anybody going to the seaside? And where we're going in Wales, our hotel is right on the coast. I'm hoping that we are going to get a room with a view so we can see the sea. I'm hoping anyway. Oh, I just hope it's a glorious day. We're only going for 3 days, so yeah. So there we go. Is that on right? Does it need to be? I think I've got it on wrong, but there we go. There's my first tag, and as you can see, it's just cardboard at the back. So yeah, I love that. Absolutely love it. So that's that one. Now we've got this one. I have got this. That you also get this in the card kit. I've got stamped this out, and it says "Summer in the Air," and this one's just going to be very simple. I've got some stickers that you get in as well. Absolutely adorable. I'm just trying to pick. I like this crab down here. Should we have 3 crabs on? Yeah. Let's see. Have I got another one? Yes, of course. Was that all I was putting on? I think that's all I was putting on, you know. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is put these, put one there. Oh, look at them. Put one there. Not very straight, are they? And one there. That one's off. And then this one I'm going to have like that. I think it needs something else, doesn't it? And I'm thinking this somewhere on here. Yeah, I'm just going to cut down a bit of it because I'm using this as my tag top. I know I probably don't need this much, like, but right. And I'm thinking this to go across here and put that like that. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I really, really do. And I've also got another bull pin and I've put the sequins on, so I can pin it to the top. I still think it needs something. It's missing something and I don't know what it is. I mean, I've been stamping away. I've got these suns here. Do you know what? I'm going to cut a sun out. I'm going to do, the sun has got his hat on another project. I just need to figure out how I'm going to do the, like, put the hat on the sun. Probably be in my next video. So I'm just going to fussy cut around all of this. Ooh. Not very good fussy cutting, but it's okay. And the cardstock I'm using is also from the card kit. But as this is a sneak peek, I'm not showing you. You have to wait for the 1st of July. Can you believe it's going to be the 1st of July in a few weeks? Yeah, that is nice, but I think it needs, just reaching over, it needs something on the edge. Yeah, I'll just do it like this. Better than me faffing on with trying to get a dobber. Yeah, and it just stands out a little bit more. I wonder if I can do it on this. I've never done it like this before. Oh, that's all right actually, isn't it? Yeah. Ooh. All the way around. And that bit there. That'll do. I quite like that, and it just makes it stand up a bit more. This is archival ink in Sunflower, would you believe? And it's all cracked and it's starting to dry out. I do need another one. Because it leaked all over. I think I dropped it. I think that's what's happened. Right, I'm going to stick this on. Oops. My little sun with ice cream. Beautiful. And this, I'm just going to put some bits of glue on it, and it will dry clear, so I'm not really too bothered about that. Where's my... I hope the blue doesn't come off there, so I don't want any blue on this. Bit too much glue on there, but never mind. Well, I hope this dries clear. Right, lots of glue on this so it sticks. Put that across there. Like so. Cut these bits off. And I can definitely use them bits on something else. waste not, want not. Put you over there. Beautiful. But I think it needs, where have I put them? Where are you? I'm looking for my sequins. Have I put them where? My desk is a little bit of a mess at the moment. I've got stuff everywhere. Oh my god, I can't find my sequins. Okay, I think I must have put them away. Got my folder here. Oh, I did. Oh, I've just dropped them all over. All the little stars. There's sequins everywhere now. Oh, never mind. Oh, my bag's split. Oh, lovely. That's just lovely. Yeah, my bag's split. Oh dear. I'm going to put gold stars on, I think. Yeah, let's just leave them there because I'm just faffing. A few gold stars, like little starfish. Oh, I don't want a blue one on. Get off then. And I'll pick up where I can see them. They're everywhere. Stars from heaven. And one more. Oh, beautiful. Right. Before I get ahead of myself again, let's just put my hole in so I can do my top for my tag. Is that enough? Yeah. Okay, I think it's enough. Right, we're nearly done. Nearly done. Put this on here, put my little pin in. Yeah, we're done. Are you gonna pull through? There we go. I love it. Let's do this. Try not to drop them off it. Right, go through then. Go through. Thank you. Just something a little bit extra, isn't it? Oh, I like that. Right, let me just put my top of my glue so it doesn't dry out. Get my other tag. Where's my other tag? And there we go. 2 tags made with the new card release, which is called Seaside Treasures, which is available, which will be available, sorry, from the 1st of July. Everything will be linked in the description box below, so please go and check that out. I cannot wait to see what the other design team members have done. I love them. They're absolutely beautiful. But I will be back with another sneak peek very soon. So yeah, I'm going to leave you. Oh, the sequins everywhere. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.